What's up, guys? Today I'm here at Dr. Hetland's office and coming in to get a treatment. He uses a little different method than I've experienced before, the Gonstead method. So I wanted to bring you guys with me and just show you a little bit about what those adjustments look like and what my treatments are when I'm here working with Dr. Ryan.
Awesome. I always scan the spine to see if there's any nerve swelling, which this will pick up. Big thing with the Gonstead adjustment is we're not twisting the neck when we're adjusting it, or the low back. We're trying to keep the neck and spine very neutral, very specific adjustments. So I'm using the nerve scope to test for swelling. I'm palpating to see where exactly he needs the adjustment. We've got the spine here where we can zoom in to his x-ray and see he's got almost a 2 millimeter deviation, and then this big subluxation right down at the lower spine. I'm gonna just show you how we do Gonstead adjustments. Boom. Hold on.
Oh!
Did you feel that one?
Did I feel it? Yeah.
Did you say it wasn't good?
Caught my feet in here. No, it's good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, how you feel?
It's good, man. I felt crazy tension.